Hello, Hector. This is your screencast that I promised you today. And I'm doing it off the search, the Google search, mosquito control El Paso. Okay. And you're right. The first few are sponsored listings. Those are people who pay for those positions. But in the Google business itself, Google My Business, you rank number 9 for mosquito control El Paso, first being Mosquito Authority, and then Mosquito Squad of El Paso. And we're going to look at you compared to both of those, which, by the way, they are also franchises. So, looking at your website, it's well done. It really looks good. The the picture of the child playing in the yard, that's great right off the bat. And I'm sure that all the things are where they're supposed to be because we go to my software, which is Hrefs, and this is Patio Patrol. You have a domain rating of 26 and a URL rating of 4. What you want those two scores to be very tight, and they're not at this point. Your backlinks are basically off of lists. So what they say is these link to your website, but they're no follow lists. Okay. So they have a little bit of strength. They're helping you rank, but they're not the best for these things. Actually, if you look at this, the value of your organic traffic, which is 3, is $18 a month. So you do have a value there. And you can see that recently, everything here is moving right on up. Referring domains, organic traffic. It looks really good. So your people are doing what they're supposed to do. We looked at keywords that you have, and I want to show where the positions are. Okay, so we're going to show where you're ranking. And the highest you're ranking is position 11 for ticks in El Paso. It's pretty good. You want to do stuff like El Paso pest control. You want to rank higher than number 20, but these are you're brand new, so these aren't bad. We'll look at an Hrefs for mosquito control. These are also a franchise. Like I said, you can tell by the location El Paso, Texas, in the URL. And mosquito control, which one was it? Mosquito control is authority. Okay. Mosquito Authority, El Paso. Their domain rating is 52. The URL is 8. They're not tight at all. If they were tighter, they would be, but they're doing fine. I think it's the because it's franchise sites that's what's going on. If you look at their value, it's $29 a month because they got an organic traffic of 5, less keywords locally. So that's not too bad. Let's see what they got. They have pest control El Paso. They're ranking 67. Mosquito control El Paso. They rank in number 3. We'll move on to the other one, which is mosquito control or mosquito squad. They have higher. Their referring domains are 10. Keywords are at 20. What are they ranking for? It looks like Mosquito Squad El Paso, Mosquito Las Cruces, Pest Control El Paso. So they have a bunch of them. They have a bunch. So in this last minute, what I'm going to suggest is that for your website, you create more backlinks. And how you do that is if you have you're using your YouTube channel, use your YouTube channel to link back to your website. You can also create content like blogs and that kind of thing that link back to your website. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. I'll be glad to help you out any way I can. We do offer content creation for you, and we could help you with that in a big way. But right now, they look like they're doing what they're supposed to. They could do a little more locally. Okay. Talk to you later, Hector.